Hey, Dick and Chad, and the millions and billions of GiZ WiZ fans. I bring to you today an item. Well, I'll explain at the end what it is, but it's the strangest thing I seen. I had to get it. It's just so bizarre. So I'm going to show it to my daughter. I was going to do a guess what the heck is it, but you really can't do a guess what the heck is it with this thing. I couldn't figure out a way because of what it is. So I'll show you what it is. So let me open it up. And my daughter's going to help me on this. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't look. Okay, open them.
It looks like a bomb.
Well, I wouldn't take it on the airport, that's for sure. Go ahead.
I think it's like something.
It says don't touch right there. So what do you do when it says don't touch?
Don't touch it.
No, you have to touch it. Go ahead. Up, up. No, you gotta up. Okay, try it again.
Oh, now I get it because it pushes down. It pushes down the button so it turns off.
Okay.
So it's like that. So it just tries and presses the button down.
It's called the useless box. As you can see, it's very useless. I would not take it to the airport. At all. You tell me. It's called the useless box. I played with it when I first got it, and I couldn't stop playing with it. You just keep.
It seems like the battery may be dying.
He's like.
He's looking at you. He's angry at you.
Stop. I said, okay, that's it. I'm filling the box off.
So, I don't think it's worth the money, guys. I really don't. I don't know if I'm going to return it. But it's been so much fun to play with. And it's literally called the useless box. I think that has the name on
I said.
the pointless
Stop.
home and office desk.
Turn it off.
It's just useless.
Hey, don't do that again.
And you just have fun flipping the switch. So,
Hey, stop.
I hope you liked the video. And I think
Hey.
this is probably the most useless gadget I have ever owned.
How?
Thank you. Bye.